N4, N5, N6, N7, N8, N9. So our N minimum value is equal to 80, directly given in the question. So now we want to choose the N2 to N8, in between speed we want to calculate. So R40 series we can take it, 80 is 8. Okay, so now we want to 5 speeds, can skip it, 1, 2, 3, 4. While I am considering the last digit means I can eliminate the first one. So now I consider here 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5. So our value becomes 1, 1, 2. Now we can choose the N3 speeds. So we took 1, 1, 2 and remaining you can eliminate the 5 speeds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 160. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 224. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 315. And the next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 450. And the next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 630. Next becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so exactly 900. Next, 630. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1250. These are all the RPM respectively. So now you can check it. N minimum is equal to this value. N maximum is equal to 1285. 1285. So it is nearest one. So it is the lesser one, so we can accept. Don't go on greater than. Now you can check it. Within the speed means we can acceptable. More than 1285 means that not accepted. Once again we cross verify with our in between speeds. Would you understand? Dear students, so far we can discuss two kind of methods. How we can choose the in between speed of gearbox in the respective speeds in our standard data books. Now we go with a similar problem. It is little bit differ from the above two types. Then we work it. Kindly note down the problems. Select the spindle speeds between 50 to 800 RPM. Number of speeds is equal to 12 speeds. Once again I will be repeated. So N is equal to 12 speed gearbox, so directly given. So in the range of between the 50 to 800 RPM. So we consider as an N minimum and N maximum. Okay. So now we want to another steps. We want to go to the progressive ratio or a step ratio. What is the formula? N maximum divided by N minimum is equal to psi of N minus 1. So all the data it is available in our given data. So we can directly calculate our psi value. It's nothing but a step ratio or a progression ratio. So N maximum is equal to 800, N minimum value is equal to 50. So the number of speed is 12, 12 minus 1. So 50 divided by 800 divided by 50 is equal to 60. Psi of 11 speeds. So psi value becomes 16 to the power 1 divided by 11. So our psi value becomes 1.286. This is our psi value. Okay. So in the first problem, we are calculating the psi value. It is directly mapped with this kind of series, either R5, R10, R20, R40. Okay. Whatever the series is directly mapped, we can directly took the next speed from the data book itself. Now you can check with the R5 series. So it is lesser, it is greater, it is also lesser, it is greater. So remaining things will be a lesser, our side will be, because it is the greater. Now you can check with the R5 series, the side value becomes 1.6. You just compare 1.6 into 1.6 in the sense of it will be goes on 2 greater. So this series is not mapped for this side value. You compare it on a second ratio, R10 series, the side value becomes 1.25. So 1.25 is a lesser compared